Hello and welcome to the EMP Tech Group. Back out in the shop with Jake, back out in the shop with a cool project. It's a broken record here, but sorry. So Jake, I saw this was going through the shop and I picked it because it's got so many great moving parts, and it's a match code box, and you build a lot of match code boxes, and we've been building match code boxes for 20 years that we've been here. But now we're starting to build RFID match code boxes because we have customers who are shipping products. RFID tag's supposed to be on there and encoded properly, but they want to do a double check before it goes out so they don't get dinged by their customer for that. Yeah. So high level, again, PC with some code that we wrote, right? Yep. It's got the Zebra FX9600 reader in here. Over there, there's a Times-7 antenna, the little super short range secret weapon that we've been using a lot that we found, because the problem with RFID, if we start blasting signal everywhere, you're reading everything. You want to read what's exactly underneath there. Click PLC, Ethernet switch, power supply, all of your wiring, barcode scanner, stack light, all the good stuff, right? Yep. So I'm going to close this and then show us how this works.
Yeah, so the program we wrote, what it's doing is you scan the UPC barcode on the product, and then it filters the RFID code that it's looking for to that.
So there's an RFID tag inside the box, and it's got the UPC code embedded in it, plus some other data. Yeah. But you're not looking at the other data. You're just making sure the barcode and the UPC code and the tag are matched.
Yeah, make sure you're running the right product.
Yeah.
So yeah, you come over here, scan the UPC. It does its thing, tells you success.
Super fast. You didn't even see it. It was so fast, right? But you're going to show what happens when
if you scan the wrong thing, like this QR code.
You get an error message, right?
Yeah, it doesn't work. So clear it out. Scan the right thing. So we're filtered to this product now.
Okay, let's talk about this, because match code is a batch process, right?
Yeah.
I set it up. I train it. That's what you just did. You just taught it. Yep. And sometimes we've done it where you push a button and you if it's a barcode one, you scan the master and now you're good. You just kind of scan the master off the barcode, and now we know what the RFID tag should show, right? Yeah. So you're going to start the conveyor up, run a couple of the good ones underneath there first, right?
Yep, and you'll see a green light come on when each box goes through, telling you it's good.
So reading one, good. Reading two, good. And you only read the ones that were directly underneath the not the one that. There's got to be a little bit of a space, but for the most part, they can be pretty tight.
If you run a different product that's going to give a red light, and you can stop the line or kick it off the conveyor, whatever the customer wants to do.
And I'm going to hit the reset here to shut that off. Yep. And Jake, so we could do a lot of actions based on a no read or a mismatch. Obviously, mismatches are far more important, and actually, maybe no reads are super important on this one too.
On the RFID, yeah. You kind of view them as the
because everyone's got to have the tag on it.
Yeah.
In the barcode world, when things are going by super fast, a no read we'd let one or two go by because we're going to miss them every once in a while. But in this one, you need to read every single one.
Yep.
Yeah. So not only could you light the light, and are you doing that in this one? Are you shutting the line off as well, or are you just alarming?
The customer is going to put a reject on this one, but I'm prepared in case
they're going to push.
They get 5 rejects in a row. Maybe they want to stop the line at that point.
Okay, got it. But you can kind of configure that last minute on site. Yep. Great. So wrapping it up, RFID match code. Love this. We've been doing the barcode match codes forever, and RFID comes along, and not the first thing we think of that, hey, RFID people are going to need match code as well, but they do, and we've got these. This is not crazy expensive, and by the way, you're going to go next week and deliver it, and it's in the Midwest here, and you're going to drive it down there in your van. You're going to install it, and by the time you leave, it's working. The customer didn't have to buy parts. The customer didn't have to write an application. The customer didn't have to figure this all out. We already have it all figured out. So if a customer has I've got RFID on products, and I need to make sure that it's encoded right and that it's on every product, we've got a pretty canned solution here for that. So if this looks like it might be of interest to you, EMP Tech Group, always the best place to reach us. Thanks, Jake. Another great project out the door. Thanks for watching.